Okay. So the BNSS has a provision which enables the police to seek custody beyond the first 15 days of arrest. So this is a fundamental departure from the present CRPC. And even the parliamentary committee also raised some concerns regarding this procedure and said that there should be certain strict guidelines as to when this provision can be applied. Even the committee had pointed out that there is certain drafting ambiguity in the provision, although the intent seems to be that the total cap should be 15 days. The higher cap of the police custody should be 15 days. But the drafting seems to be suggesting that even that can be exceeded. So even the committee had pointed out that there should be some clarity in that. But the BNS has retained the same provision. So how do you, what is your perception regarding this?
Yes, I think everybody, every lawyer and every citizen of this country must read 187 of the BNSS and compare it to 167 subsection 2A proviso and see the danger that lurks in 187 BNSS. It is the reading of 187 BNSS is entirely what it is suggesting and what it is saying, irrespective of what the intention is. We cannot now, as far as criminal procedure and criminal law is, we cannot go by what the intention articulated in Parliament is. It is what do the words of the provision allow. And the words of the provision, 187 BNSS, clearly allows police custody up to 60 or 90 days, depending on what offense you're talking about. There is no escaping that, right? Yes, the intention might be to say up to 15 days of maximum police custody, but you can take those 15 days anywhere between 60 or 90 days. That might be the intention. But it's mind-boggling that that's not how criminal law and procedure works. I cannot, when I'm being some prosecutor somewhere or some IO somewhere is going to use this provision to extend police custody beyond 15 days. We cannot go by what the government's intention while drafting it is. We have to go by the language, and the language there, I urge anybody to just read that language and see. A police custody up to 60 or 90 days is entirely permissible as the provision stands under 187 BNSS as of now. And I don't know, I really hope better sense will prevail and the statutory language of 187 BNSS will be altered to be in tune with 167 CRPC.
So, and I think that on a practical level, this will also make securing of bail difficult, because in most cases, what happens is once a bail application is filed, after the police custody period is over, after the 15 days period is over, judge just to grant bail. But now the prosecutor can say, okay, they might require police custody after 15 days also. So
absolutely. I think
that could be a practical fallout also.
Absolutely.